Good afternoon, folks. This video, which you'll probably see me just magnet fishing, and the only reason I'm doing that is I want to tell you what's going on. The only reason that I haven't been doing videos back to back metal detecting down here in Georgia. Well, here recently, I guess they're trying to ban all the parts from metal detecting. Too many people are doing it. Too many metal detectors are going out of control. And there's too many people showing up doing it. So now they're kind of stopping it. So until then, I guess I can make some videos of magnet fishing until I can find some new spots. So I hope y'all enjoy. It's not as fun as metal detecting, but it's something to show. Something to show. At least I'm doing something, you know. Until then, I guess I'm stuck magnet fishing. So enjoy. Well, it looks like we got something on the magnet right quick. Let me see. Then I'll show y'all. And it seems to be a fish lure of some kind of bait worm. Pretty cool. Don't look like I'm finding too much out here, but here you go. Check this out. Ain't this cool? It's probably been in the water for a while. Looks pretty old style, but maybe we'll find something good. You never know. You never know. But that's just a chance you gotta take. You gotta throw your magnet in and see what you're gonna find. Sometimes you don't find nothing. Sometimes you do. Swinging it back into. Here we go. There it is. But enjoy, folks. Enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment. I sure appreciate y'all guys watching my videos. And like I said, I'm sorry that I ain't got no metal detecting videos coming out. But I will soon as I can find me a good old spot to go metal detecting. Like I said, they're cracking down on the metal detecting in the parks here in Georgia. Too many folks want to dig holes. Too many folks want to find the treasure. But that's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. Nothing I can do about it. But I hope y'all enjoyed this one. Enjoy this one. I promise, soon as I find another spot to metal detect, I promise I'll send the video out so y'all can see. So enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.